Hello, this is Dennis Black, and this is part 3 of our series of enhancing skills for professional loan officers in their selling technique. One of the things to really understand is the engagement with a client buying a home is crucial to make sure you're attuned with all the parties involved, whether it be your realtor partner definitively, your title company partner. Make sure all parties are in sync as you orchestrate this transaction so that the buyer has the highest level of home buying experience. By aligning yourself with quality realtors and title companies, you set yourself up for success more than you possibly can imagine. Understand the dynamics of when you engage with a buyer, even when you're talking to a seller, of the importance of your communication throughout the lending process during a purchase transaction. When an inquiry comes in or you receive one from a realtor partner or something online, once you engage with the client, find out what stage of the home buying process are they currently at. Are they in the pre-qualification stage where they want to know how much they can afford? Or are they looking to put a pending offer in soon and need more of a pre-approval? As we evaluate the stage that we're at with our client, then we engage immediately after that conversation with the realtor partner. Now, if you don't know who the person is and the buyer called you directly, make sure one of your early questions is, wonderful, I'm glad you're looking at a property. Are you currently working with a real estate professional? Super. Who is that individual? All you need is the name and the office they work in, a Coldwell Banker, a Century 21, a RE/MAX, etc. Be sure to find that out. You can then Google the individual, find out their contact information. Reach out proactively to the agent after the conversation with the borrower and let them know you engage with their client. But more importantly, what can you do to make this a smooth transaction, not only for the buyer, but for the real estate agent? They have a lot at stake. You have a lot at stake. The buyer has the biggest, getting their property. But we want to all work together to make sure it's as seamless as possible. And by engaging with your realtor early on, you establish a critical 5-letter word with this crucial partner going forward. Trust. Trust is immeasurable. And if you've been proactive in your communication, share with the agent what you're going to do throughout the lending process, how you work with realtors. You could even reference other agents that you work with if they're unfamiliar with who you are, and be ready to have proof sources if necessary to provide to them of other relationships you have in the real estate community in that geographical area. If you do not have any current references, your company probably does. Make sure you have company references to be able to share that you work at a quality mortgage lending operation. As we engage with the realtor, we now find out how they like to work. We share our methodology of working, but find out how they like to work. And make sure, as you go through the process, you're proactive and keep them informed in a timely manner. I encourage at least a once-a-week update, or as you hit milestones during the mortgage process, to communicate to both the buyer's agent and the seller's agent. The more communication you demonstrate proactively, the more they feel confident with your ability. And once this transaction closes, you now have not one, but 2 prospects. Re-engage with your partner and make sure they consider using you on the next opportunity. Keep that relationship fresh and make sure you stay in touch with them. They now become what is categorized as a maintenance relationship. You don't have to sell to them, you have to maintain them. But what about the listing agent? Huge opportunity here. Not only one, can you get information regarding the listing agent through your title partner, but more importantly, the listing agent observed your ability throughout the transaction. They work with buyers as well. Once they've seen how you work, they're going to be more confident giving you an opportunity when they have the buyer. So make sure you reach out to them, sit down with them, discuss their business philosophy, engage with them with a professional interview, and start to establish why they should use you as a lender of choice moving forward when they have the buyer opportunity. Every transaction represents multiple opportunities down the road. Make sure your realtor partner is engaged and do the little things that separate you from an average lender to a top flight quality loan officer. Again, if you have any questions regarding how we can help you and benefit your company or you as an individual loan officer with personal coaching, feel free to reach out at dennis@dennisblack.com or my phone number 760-801-2777 and go to my website dennisblack.com to see references and links to be able to reach me. Good luck and good selling.